Hey fourth graders, I'm just going to show you really quickly how to navigate around on Schoology. You're going to see that's where we'll have a lot of our assignments, a lot of our tests will take place. When you go to log in, it's saved on your desktop. If you just double click on the icon called Schoology, it's going to take you to this page. It should say USD 475 Junction City. Your login information is the same as your computer. Once you get logged in there, you will see you're on your home page here. Lots of people will be posting on here. You only see one right now. This is the librarian. She posts a lot of questions for you guys, reminders, things like that, new books. If you look over here, this is where you can click your grades. If you click on that, you can then go into the different courses that you'll be having, and you'll be able to locate your grades for specific assignments and things like that. We won't be using Mastery this year, so you don't really need to worry about that. The calendar is where you'll see some upcoming events and due dates. There'll also be reminders in your monthly calendars that you get to go home. Messages, if you click on that, will send you to, this is where you and I can communicate back and forth. It's a lot like email. It'll send to my account, and then we can talk back and forth. Obviously, we don't have any right yet. Some flyers right here. You can also access the lunch menus. These will be our grade level flyers and our school flyers that you see in the e-flyers. It will take you to, when you click on it, it will pop up a new screen, and then you'll be able to locate them and access them there. The most important thing on this side here is messages and grades. You'll also see up here is the little envelope that you will be able to see. It'll have a little icon or a notification, 1, 2, if you have any new ones. These are the people that are asking to be your friends. Once the year gets started, we will we'll get linked with everybody in our class, so you'll have a bunch of requests here. Now, if you click back on the home page, it will take you right back to where we started when we logged in. Here's where it says your upcoming assignments and events. That's where you can also access the calendar. The nice part about this is you can get there's all sorts of different places that you can access the same thing. Another really important thing is these courses up here. If you do a drop down here, these are all of your courses. So if you click on, this is our reading class, so if you click on our reading class, there's nothing in there yet. I don't have anything published for you to see quite yet, but this is where you'll do your daily discussions or your weekly discussions. This is where our reading tests will be found. Once I have given you access to these things, they'll all be listed right through here. Now I do know in our social studies course, there is one, so that you can see right here, this is a link that I've embedded that you guys have access to. So now you can click on it and it'll take you directly where you need to go. You don't have any groups, you won't be joining any as of right now. Maybe later on in the year we will. And then resources, again, there's nothing here for you that you really need to focus on. The most important thing is to log in. It is the same login as your computer passwords. And the grades and the messages are where you'll get the most information. Messages is for me to communicate with you. Your grades obviously is where you'll see your scores after your assignments. And then the last important thing, just as a review, is the courses. And this is where you'll find all of your assignments that are within each subject area that we're focusing on.